Alright, for those of you that are new to the channel, one of the last videos that went up, as of today, I don't know how many will go up by the time this gets edited and posted and shit, but it was I hate liquid nail. Alright? This is a prime example of why I hate liquid nail. Forgive my language, which, you know, I don't get paid for these. I ain't got enough subscribers yet anyway, but so it doesn't matter if they demonetize me. But this is stupid. Why you would ever put this much liquid nail to hold down a freaking cultured marble vanity is beyond me. If you're bending a pry bar trying to get liquid nail off, or trying to get a freaking vanity off, that's freaking overkill. Why would you not run a perimeter bead of silicone? It ain't ever going to go anywhere. You just take a razor knife, cut it, and pop it off. I mean, Jesus Christ, I want y'all to watch, man. I mean, I'm going to try not to hurt myself. You see the, 15 to 20 shims I got. You don't want to break the freaking cabinet. Look at this is absolutely ridiculous, man. So I'm going to have to go back in here with a multi-tool and pry this off. And then you'll have people wonder why we charge, tear out a little vanity. Look at that. Finally, it broke. It gave. That's because I went and got the camera. It's the only reason it freaking gave. Earlier I was pulling and prying. It was breaking off little pieces at a time. Oh, yeah, it looks like the whole thing broke in half.
It did. All right here. All the way to this side.
So, I don't understand it. I should be able to get this Tony. You can keep recording.
Sure.
I don't think they're trying to reuse these. Well, I guess they did decide not to unhook that part. So I gotta pop this part off here.
You okay?
Yeah. Liquid nail, guys. Harder, How simple it would have been if it was silicone to cut a bead. Tony and I grab it, pull it off, walk it downstairs.
All in one piece.
Done. No chance of messing up the tile on the floor. No chance of hurting yourself. Alright. But still got all this in the back. So you want to try to pry this off. Of course, we cut the bead so that the paint don't run up the side of the wall, but you see it? Oh my God. it's ripping the damn cabinets apart. It's literally ripping the cabinets apart. Look at that.
This battery's about to go.
It's freaking ridiculous, man. Something that should have took 5 minutes took 30. So now we got all this out here we got to clean up and take downstairs. But look at all this liquid nails. So now I'm going to have to take a multi-tool and get all this off because my tops aren't going to set flush on it until I do. So this is to the guys freaking using liquid nail. Quit. Don't use it. Don't buy it. Don't put it down on shit that doesn't need it. Or come and tear it out yourself, or let the person that comes behind you punch you in the face. There's no reason to use that. You know, just stop. So, anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you're somebody that uses liquid nail and I offended you, sorry, I just tell it how it is, quit using the shit. So, anyway, that's all I got today. Thanks for watching, guys.